Alright, oh my god, I look so raggedy. I am at my mall right now on my way to get my eyebrows tinted. This is how they look right now. I'm gonna just film the whole process so that you guys can see, and I'll show you the after, and then I will come out with an updated video on how long they last and stuff. So yeah, so this is where I'm going, the brow bar.
I wish you make a thread also, go there and after, because without trimming and like thing, it doesn't look like clean, like it will look like a messy look.
Okay.
Okay, lay that please. Either you wax it or whatever, but you need to do it. Understand?
What'd you say?
Either you wax or anything, thread, but you need to do it.
No, I usually get them threaded.
Yeah, so yeah, either you go there or do it here, whatever, up to you. But if you do it, then it give you a perfect result.
For a quick result?
No, perfect result,
Oh,
because
perfect
it looks like very precise and defined. Right now, you don't have a defined eyebrows. Like you have a lot of hairs, uneven. So let's see how you like, then we'll decide.
Okay. Okay.
You are very pretty eyebrows. It will look so good.
Oh, thanks.
See, so if you clean this, your shape looks like precise like this.
Gotcha.
If you want to do it, you can use the free eyebrows after. If you want, then I can show you the perfect result.
Okay.
Want me to do it?
To what? Thread it?
Yeah, and you can use your free eyebrows next time there, because since you did this, make it perfect. Then it looks more beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah, you could do it.
Because if you see, after you see, right now you're seeing like this.
Yeah.
After I shape, you will see it's totally nice and beautiful.
Okay.
Okay, hold your eyebrows, please.
What'd you say? Okay. All right. Here's how they look when they're done. I'm honestly really impressed. I really do like the results. It gives it like a naturally fuller look instead of like an already filled in look, because when I was like reading about it, I was hearing people say like, yeah, it looks like, you know, your brows are filled in every day. I wouldn't really say that. It just looks like your brows are fuller / thicker. Do I think it's worth it? Definitely. It's only $15 at most places that I've seen. So $15, and she said it lasts for 3 weeks. I asked her how to, like, you know, how to take care of it or whatever. She said don't scrub your eyebrows with soap. I asked her about like, what if I use my makeup remover wipe? And basically just you know, obviously still wash your face and stuff, but just try to be, you know, don't like scrub your eyebrows off basically. But I 100% think it's worth it. I think this is something I'm gonna start doing, because this is a cute, like, you know, wake up and you got full brows every day look, and it's still something you can, like, if you want it more full, you could put like eyebrow mascara or even like pencil it in a little bit. But definitely worth it. What she was talking about in the video was, she was saying that I should get my eyebrows threaded before I do it so that it looks more clean or more precise. And I didn't know if she was just trying to like upsell me or if that was really the case. So she told me she will tint them and then see how they look after, and then if I want to thread them, I can do that. So she said for next time, like, if I can just come with them threaded or have her thread them and then get them tinted, that I should do that because it makes them look more precise, which I do agree with. I was just trying to hold off on getting my eyebrows done for a little while, but whatever. So yeah, definitely worth it. The eyebrow tint and thread is $25 total, so that's definitely worth it for 3 weeks because I'm impressed. I need to brush them a little bit, but y'all get the point. If you guys have any questions, just comment below. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.